Hello traders, this is Daniel Martin. Today I'm going to be talking about something that is very important for all of you. And the title of this video is the 3. How many times 3? I don't know, the 6 times 3. And explain to you the reasons behind. You know, I was not aware of this until not many years ago. At first I created a strategy, then I found it in books. And this is one of the examples of potential is actually how you get more details about the STT and what is the best option to be taken and why. It works for bull market or bear market. This is actually coming from the Elliott waves books. It's actually for the wave principles of Elliott waves. You don't need to go in details in there. You don't need to make your life complicated. But actually in the book it's called 3. Some minutes 6 times 3, and this because as you will see through the course, you will understand that we have a 6 movements, but inside of each movement there is 3 of them. Let me show you now how will work off. You can actually come up, the trade can come in long or short. If you see this contracting happens and you go bull market, or this is contracting and go bear market, but doesn't mean it can come in from the top or can come in from the bottom. That's the more logical place. And from those 6 options that we have on the Elliott book, the ones that really actually work for us best is actually the contractions with this symmetrical triangle. We don't doing these ones, just a flag, or we don't doing these ones that actually, if you notice, there is much larger options to get in profit. You can actually work out breaking points. That's different strategies. The same thing on these 2. So the best, actually, the STT is based on those 2 symmetrical triangles. But if you notice, they go 3 movements. If you notice, it's 1, 2, and 3. So they're based on 3 movements: 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. That's the reasons behind of 3. But all these letters that you notice here is actually, we don't have letters, we have numbers. And that's how I did myself. This was our number 1, then number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And normally our entries will be here on this cut off point. You will see the details. And the same principle for the opposite. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And contraction is what we're looking for. That is the main reason. The risk and reward. We're looking for as much risk and reward possible, because if you got 5, 6, 7 hours, 20 hours, your win rate, it doesn't matter. Even if you got 10 winners against 90 losses, if you do have 20, 30, 40 hours, then everything works in your favor. It's not the case for STT. We go between 30 and 40, and then the rest is actually a very good number. So an average can be 5, 6, 7 hours, depends of the year. Last year was 5.4 hours per trade. So we're looking for make a decent amount of hours always. So the best the contraction, the better the entries. You will have on this course first on level 1, you will be looking into the classic entry, what is the breaking point from the D, with this number 5. And you will have other options to actually to entry before the D entry, or this call number 5 for us, So it's interesting that it's been always there, because Elliott wave triangle theory is actually being based in all data from the olden days. And the reasons behind it, as we explain always, is because the human behavior doesn't change in groups. It's always the same. When it's uncertainty, it's uncertainty, and it always will be there. I've been seeing samples from 70, since there is charts, representation of our behavior in charts in the market, there is patterns of the STT. 1700, I've been seeing it just everywhere, any market, any time frames. So you will always see uncertainty, and we will take advantage of that. All right, guys, so let's go to the next video and let's see how we work out more details of the strategy. Thank you very much. Bye now.